Hi all, today we are going to see how to find the total execution time of a Python script. I'm just using a simple print statement. I already have a hello world script created. The command we will use to find the time execution is a time command on a Mac or on a Linux machine. I use time command, and when I try to run this hello world application, I will be able to get the total time which spent to execute this particular script. So I will calculate the user time plus the system time, that is total it is 0.029 seconds. Why I am combining user and system time is because the user time is the time spent to execute that particular process outside of the kernel. So I need to take that into consideration, and I will use the system time spent to execute that particular process within the kernel. So we have to take these two time into consideration. Real time you can ignore, that is the total elapsed time where all our systems will do multi-processing, right? So there will be some other process also running. So like it will be total elapsed time. You should like concentrate on this. So the total time take to execute the script is 0.029 seconds. There is one more way I can do this. I found a website which provide this information. I already on that web page. If you see here, I will put the same print statement. Print hello world. When I click the run button, you will be able to see the code is getting executed. Once the code is executed, you will be see like 0.02 seconds. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find any other way of finding the total execution time, or if you are seeing any issues with this means, please put that in the comment. I will take a note of